start my videos by talking to you guys like this, but oh my goodness, my heart is so full from all of you who have left the most loveliest things in like this question box thing that I left on Instagram on my story I think a week ago. Every single time I'm just like doubting myself, I just go back to that and I just check that question box because I feel so encouraged, and I just wanted to take a second just to thank you because it honestly means a lot to me. I'm not monetized on YouTube yet, so I don't get paid for any of my videos, so I'm working really hard to get to that one day and potentially make YouTube another income stream. But you know, big dreams, big goals. I just want to thank you so much for spending your time with me here and for being so lovely and encouraging and just beautiful. I'm obsessed with every one of you and I adore you so much. So thank you for spending your time with me, and I hope this video is exactly what you need today. Alrighty, let's jump into the video now. Let's start off with what cleaning products I use. Let me just pack them out here. So, I've actually never washed the floor in our apartment. I have done that before, but I've gone on my knees with the cloth everywhere and just wiped it. So I don't know why I punished myself like that, but I officially bought a little mop thingy, which I'm really excited about because all I can think about is how much vinegar I'm gonna put in this to clean the floors. Oh, there's no water in there. What are you spraying out? Oh, okay. Very excited to use this. May I add, might have to use this at the very end of the video, so if you want to see the beautiful montage that this baby will hold, you gotta watch the video to the end. So I usually buy 3 bottles of vinegar a month, so it lasts me a while, but also not, because you can just like pour it and then the whole bottle is finished. I do go through these a lot actually, that's a lie. Baking soda is your best friend. And then I got some eucalyptus oil that I'll be putting in with all my thingies. Things that I get a ton of questions on my TikToks, like what are you spraying on your carpets? Like this is a shake and vacuum powder. And a lot of people in the comment sections were like, ew, your house must stink so much that you have to do that. I'm like, no, it smells so nice because I do this. So anyway, I love this Essence of Summer. It smells so good. You can just get it at Pack and Save. That's where I do my grocery shopping. If you're not in New Zealand, I'm not sure where you can get this. I'm so sorry. And then Jif for cleaning the sink and the oven. I do like these like little spongy cloths. They just feel so nice when you use them. So these ones. I just want to give you a little bit inspo of what you need to get if you do need to do a deep clean of your house. Just get these 2 things and maybe some eucalyptus essential oil. Ooh, smells like fixed vapor up. That's what I wanted, sorry. Let's get into the video.